wonderful day. Good morning, all mixed magic. Yeah, good boy. Today we're gonna go cross country in. Good day. Hello and welcome back to Star Stable. Today I'm gonna be doing cross country with Onyx Magic because he's my only horse. So yeah, we're just gonna put on my nice boots like usual, my usual gear. We're gonna head over to we're gonna head over to Valedale Lake because there's actually a nice course there. I've invited one person, but no more because it always gets hectic when I invite more. So yeah, we're just gonna walk on out, and I can't read my horse because that would cost 100 star coins, and that's a whole bunch of star coins, guys. They should make it 100 Yorvik shillings because that would be better. I thought that person teleported somewhere. That would be cool. Hey, look. New shout out to Star Stable. New update, the Clydesdales. Amazing. Okay, let's head to Valedale Lake. There we go. Pay with Yorvik shillings. I almost clicked pay with star coins, and that would be bad. I wonder how many star coins I have, because I think I saw something really bad. Okay, phew, I still have 50. If I get any lower than 50, then I'll have to wait an extra week to get it. Okay, now we just need to scroll up and invite that person who said, horses. No! Okay. Dang it, I need to wait till my thing is activated again, because global chat, ugh. I hate global chat, but it's the only way. So yeah, we're just gonna do my training on this race, because I'm too lazy to actually go and do all of my races, but if we're here, we might as well. Hashtag I hate training down below, people. I think the reason why I don't like training is because a lot of the time I love training, but since I'm really focusing on leveling up these days, my player leveling up, I don't really like it. Yeah, so hopefully global chat will be activated in 2 seconds, because that's how long it'll be before we finish the race. It's true. 1, 2, bang, we're done. No, I'm kidding. We're still going. Dang it, I should have edited that so that we paused it and then we were done. No, I shouldn't. That would be bad. Okay, never mind. See you guys later. The world's gonna explode because Ella Rhodes' videos won't get uploaded. Okay, yeah, I was talking quiet. I'm sorry. Yeah, that wasn't intentional. Shout out to new subscribers, people. We got road to 10, road to 15, guys, road to 15. Let's go. All you people on Star Stable who's subscribed, yay, thank you. Oh no, look, a jump. Good, we almost missed that. So here comes. This is actually my favorite jump. The one that we just did. It's so hard to accomplish, but I just love it. So yeah, we're gonna try to get global chat to activate so that we can chat that person who said yay, or whatever I told them to say. No, not yay. It wasn't yay. I didn't tell them to say something lame like yay. Well, yay isn't lame. Oh, dang it. Well, that's just great. Let's go, boy. Get around. Yay! Fun. Dang it. Ugh. Oh, look, somebody logged on. Okay, 1 second. Let me... Hello, guys. So we're back. That person didn't come, so yeah, I've gotta hurry, because, soon for stuff, but like, guys, no kidding. I was trying to jump that like off camera while I was trying to wait for the person to respond. P.S. They couldn't make it. Lots of stuff happened. Sad things called global chat not working. Anyhow, yeah, so I was trying to do this, and I was like, I galloped up, but I jumped, and it didn't work, and I kept on jumping, and like, I flew up there. It was hilarious. It was a good experience. Now, let's do cross. So we're gonna start out on this nice, whoopsies. So yeah, I thought I'd start us out here because it's beautiful and it's just perfect. So yeah, we're gonna do this one. Yes, if you ever need somewhere to do really good cross country, Valedale and Fingrove are the place to go. Cause like eventually they are, cause they like have a bunch of cross country jumps. And my favorite jump is actually near Fingrove. I don't know if I showed you that earlier. No, I didn't. I don't think. I think that was one of my failed attempts at trying to make this video. Fun. Long gallop, boy. Sometimes Onyx just jumps things so perfectly. I'm like, how? Like, there's my favorite jump ever, which I'll show you later. It's at Fingrove. It's like so hard to do, which is why I love it. It's like, you'll see it later, so I won't tell you what it is. But like, it's so hard to jump. You have to not only jump high, but you need to jump wide, so it's like really hard. But sometimes Onyx Magic does this jump. I call it a V jump, and it's where he'll jump and his legs will be like stretched out, but his back will be curved in a way that he just jumps over it magically. So hopefully he'll show that to me. Actually, no, it's right here. It's right here. It's this one. Whoopsies. Yeah, so it's so hard to do, but it's like my favorite jump. So yeah, it was actually that one that I just jumped. I'll show you it again because I'm gonna gallop this course again. Hey, look, it's that person. That's the person who was gonna jump with me, but then like they said no, and it was like, that's sad. Well, they were gonna jump with me, and then they were like, I need to do like things, so like, yeah, bye. They didn't actually say that. They actually needed to do training, and they're like, okay, after I train my forge, and I'm like, I gotta do this now. YouTube calls. Yeah, so yeah. Now we're just gonna gallop this one more time. I know I'm not gonna do it too many times just to show you the jump again. And then we're gonna head over to Fingrove, do a few races there. And that's about all the time I have. So yeah. Yeah, somehow I can't ever make my videos actually good. So like, yeah. I'm gonna redo this video some other time when I have more time, but I'm gonna do something with my dad after, so yes. It was the night before Christmas. P.S. I haven't done the special New Year's and Christmas special on my other channel. I'm sorry, guys. The other channel that I have, it just, no. I don't know. I just don't really like, I can't really record all the time because when I'm at my mom's, there's always like stuff going on where I can set it all up. So yeah. And yeah, don't even talk to me about Ben and Dazzle Me, that thing that I did. The film/short series that I did. Okay, here it comes. Okay, he almost did that though. He just almost did that. I'm actually, screw the race. It's the nice, I don't care. It's the when I like you jump, it's the jumpy jump twice. Abandon. Okay, good. It's one of the things that actually stays here. Okay, so we can do this. I just have to jump it perfectly. So I told him to jump too soon. So yeah, I will see you at Fingro, because like, yeah, fun. See ya, bye. Hello, back just a second. It's called Ella. Wait. Ella. Hello, back. Just found this race. It took a while. Okay, yes. We need to close chat. Fun. CCC? CCN? I have no idea what that means. So yeah, shout out to Isabel. She's gonna subscribe after. She's probably also gonna win this race as well, which is fine, but like, not the best for me. Unfortunately. Fortunately for me, I should say. Ugh! No, get up! I'm not gonna lose this. Shout out to my horse. Good boy. That Frisian is fast. That should be its name. Fast and Speedo or something. Ugh, get out of my way. Yeah, she also doesn't know how bad I mess up at this race. Probably not, at least. Ugh, I lost so much time back there. Ugh. And now I bump into a fence. I really need her to like, oh look, she got stuck. I was just about to say that, but like, it's not like I'm happy that she got stuck. It's just that I needed her to get stuck in order for me to win. But I shan't win, because like, that Frisian is gonna beat me. No doubt. Like, there's a hay bale jump up here, and I cannot jump it. It is physically impossible. It is technically impossible, I should say. Yay, jump. Good boy. There's a few things she doesn't know, or they don't know, I should say. They don't know that, like, I do know, like, some shortcuts. Dang it, here comes the jump that I'm gonna mess up on. Have fun. Ugh, and she jumped it like it was nothing. And yes, I do see that star. I always see it, and it sucks. I can't get it. Wait. Saw a star. Let me go. Saw a star. Let me go get it. Just need to get that star because, like, I won't forget, but it's nice to have another star. And Star Stable, like, hides a lot of stars underneath bridges. Fun. Dang it. There we go. Okay. Done. I already got it, lol. Okay, I already got it, lol. Oopsies. Yeah, so, not the best cross-country video, like usual. But see you guys next time. Shout out to Isabel. She might be subscribing. Bye! Goodbye. Now I wait until you subscribe. Fun. Subscribe.